Welcome back to the RC Bree channel. Today we're going to clean the FlexSeries shaver by Freebird.com. And there's actually two ways you can clean it with running water. You can actually detach the floating heads, or you can actually clean it on the actual shaver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by running water. Actually, the shaver is compact, has an ergonomic grip. Okay, it's cordless operation, has precision blades for a smooth shave. And one thing I like about it is it charges really fast and you can get a 90-second shave. These blades catch all the hair. As you can see, you don't have hair falling all over the floor or on the counter. So there's no disassembly required. This saves time and effort. And it's very simple to maintain this shaver. And one thing I like about it, my skin is sensitive. There's no razor bumps. So I highly recommend it. So what you would like to do here is actually open up the blades. You can see my hair here, okay? There's a lot of hair that it caught. And I'm just gonna run it under the water. And to remove the center blade, it's very simple. A lot of people ask, how do you do that? So you remove the center blade by turning it counterclockwise and popping it out. So it's very easy to come out. My nails are not long. You can see that. Okay, there's the center blade. So what I'm going to do is just run it underwater. Here, as you can see, just cleaning all the hair out. Nice and easy. Doesn't take long, keeps the shaver clean. Let's see that. Nice. All right, all the hair. Very easy. And all you have to do is pop the center piece back in. Clean that also. Running water there. Very easy. It comes with a small brush too. You can also clean it with the small brush before you use the running water. So popping the center blade back in. Closing all the blades. And there you have it. Thanks again for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to bring you quality content like this video.